Well, breaking news this afternoon. In a massive win for President Donald Trump, the Supreme Court ruled he can move forward with implementing the end of birthright citizenship. The decision was 6-3, split along ideological lines. The justice is focusing on whether district courts had the power to stop the executive order from taking effect. ABC's Perry Russum is at the Supreme Court.
In a monumental case before the Supreme Court, the justice is ruling President Trump can move forward with implementing the end of birthright citizenship. The High Court today focusing on whether district courts have the ability to issue nationwide injunctions on Trump's executive order. The decision 6-3, split along ideological lines. Justice Amy Coney Barrett with the opinion of the court writing, universal injunctions likely exceed the equitable authority that Congress has given to federal courts. Justice Sonia Sotomayor writing in dissent, no right is safe in the new legal regime the court creates.
Birthright. That's a big one.
President Trump signing the controversial executive order on day one of his second term, limiting U.S. citizenship only to children born in the U.S. to lawful permanent residents, ending a right that's been guaranteed by the Constitution for more than 150 years. Federal judges in 3 states ruled the ban on birthright citizenship violates the Constitution's 14th Amendment, issuing nationwide injunctions, blocking it from going into effect. The Trump administration then making an emergency appeal to the Supreme Court. During oral arguments in May, the administration argued the federal judges overreached their authority.
This was only about whether the district judge could enjoin the enforcement of that nationwide. What we'll now see is the actual question of what the 14th Amendment means, whether a president acting alone without Congress, without an amendment to the Constitution, can change our understanding of how we've implemented that for the last 150 years.
Beyond this case, the decision could have wide-ranging effects on other actions Trump has taken that have either been limited or stopped altogether by district courts. That includes mass layoffs and funding freezes. Perry Russum, ABC News at the Supreme Court.